Hi everyone, Archana here. I'm super duper excited today. You can see why I'm excited. Here you go. All the Stamperia papers and products. Let's dig in. I will show you 12 by 12 papers, but first of all I just wanted to mention couple of items are not here yet. They will be here in couple of weeks. So I'm so sorry for the delay. They are shipping soon. If you already purchased those two items, please kindly wait for that. Please. They are beautiful. And one of the item or collection called Princess 12 by 12 paper pad is not yet here. So I will show you this new Alice in Wonderland. So this Alice paper pad has a golden touch. You can see. So let's open it. Oh, they are super sticky. So let's open it. And this paper pad has 22. They said double faced. So they said double faced papers, but let's see if they are double sided or not. Let's get started. You can see beautiful pages. They are die cuts. I think these are single-sided papers, so that's good thing. You will not worry about losing the other side. You can see here, super cute, and the hard background, and this one I'll just go flip through because I have to show you so much. And you can see this golden touch on the frame, right? I think you can see that here also. And other pages are, and you can see the golden touch, right? And this one, and this. I'm so happy. Sometimes it's really good to have single-sided papers. So cute. Very pretty, right? Get this one. And this one has all the cutout sheets. And then it's done. So this is really beautiful paper collection. And then I have these things go with the collection. This is the new thing which they came up with, gold touch. You can see right here, and they are chipboard pieces. They are 30 piece adhesive stickers. That's so cute. You can see all the things. And then I do have these die cuts which has so many pieces, so many, you can see right there. And then they came up with these wooden shapes, and they are colored wooden shapes. They are so cute. So I will just move this thing. Let's check if I can open it. No, they packed really well. So now I'll just slide them this strip, and I'll show you what's in the middle. I'm sorry, you just have to work with this thing. So you can see there is a big key, and it says tea party, and all those images here, and they are really cute, very pretty colored wooden pieces. So all these are available to purchase. And now we'll move on another collection. Let's open it. Very cute. You can see all the beautiful hydrangeas, and all these images super cute. So I'll flip through again real quick. This one has all cutouts, cards, beautiful pages. My goodness, they are so pretty. And this one, oh, super cute image. This one is also pretty. Everything is lilac and very nice purplish colored. Look at this window and the flower bouquet. This vase is so cute, and I like this collage. And this one, so cute. Oh wow, this is so pretty. And this one has this tea mask. Very beautiful. And this one has a tags. These are very cute, very cute. We need to fussy cut them really carefully, but they look very pretty. And the collage sheet. And then these are cut apart things. If you have a Cameo or I think Cricut, you can fussy cut them really quick using your machine. I have brothers, so I cut through that. Sometimes some images are really critical to cut by machine as well, so even these images are not much critical to cut by scissor, hand cut. I think so. I can see that they are easy actually. And back side. And then I do have 8x8 available in this collection. And also we do have these die cuts, and the other thing is missing is that sticker sheet, the long chipboard sticker sheet, which is coming with the Princess 12x12 paper pads. So these ones has all these very pretty things, so many. I think I'm not able to open it since there is no safe opening, and I don't want to open it since I have already pre-orders to ship. So these ones has so many things you can see. And then we'll move on to another very cute collection. So this is really cute and sweet collection they came up with this time, and I'll show you papers first. I have two sizes, 12x12, 8x8 available, and the collection called Sweetie. It's super yummy, super shabby. You can see very colorful, very summery. And let's open it. Wow, very cute. I'll just flip through quickly. Look at this image, super cute. Very pretty tea party collection. Oh, so pretty. Wow, look at this. I'm already hungry now. Look at these ones, so cute. And this one has a cake, a big cake from top view, so yummy. And then this one has all the circle tags and lots of images here to fussy cut. They are so cute. Aren't they beautiful? Yummy. And then we have these die cuts. Lots and lots of die cuts you can see right here. Right? So cute. And then we do have these chipboard cutout. These are adhesive, 27 pieces. And you can see they are so pretty. Oh, so cute. And then we have this chipboard wooden shape colored one. So cute. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 chipboard pieces are here. Very pretty. And then we will move on to the next collection. So this collection called Princess. There are a couple of items which are coming in couple of weeks. So I do have a die cuts. Very cute die cuts. You can see these images are so cute, right? You can see amazing. And then I do have currently these wooden shapes. Very cute. So we are missing adhesive chipboard and 12x12 paper pad, but I do have 8x8. Just I will flip through the same pages you are going to get in 12x12. You can see very pretty, so royal. You can see these images. You can fussy cut, and same images you are getting in your chipboard package. And all these doors. Wow, look at this mannequin and this dress form. So pretty. Very soothing colors also. They are really royal printed and Really well designed collection. Wow, so pretty. See this page? Wow, I'm in love. Look at this. Amazing. Wow. Look at all these princesses are here. Nice. Wow, envelopes. Oh wow, they are so cute. And then this one has a fan. Wow, look at this collage. And this one, very cute images. So pretty. Then this one has all their corsets and some jewelry, buttons. This one has also some buttons, or maybe this can be a ring, like top view. And look at these ones, you can easily fussy cut them. This umbrella, so cute. And I do have rice papers and they are amazingly beautiful. I do have 3 of them in A4 size, you can see. So pretty. And then I do have this page, all the corsets, very cute and very well decorated, very embellished with jewels and flowers and laces. Cute. And this image, wow, this can be your album cover page, right? Princess album cover page, perfect. So pretty. And then I do have the huge one. This size, I will check the size. They always give size in centimeter. So 29.7 by 42 centimeters. Okay, so we need to do the math. Anyway, so here is the image. You can see, if you can catch everything here. This is her skirt, and I think this one is we can see. So here you can see the different parts of the skirt. You can actually layer them and make it 3D, I guess. You can do that actually. So this part goes on top, this part goes on top of this part goes on top of this, and all other things can go like everywhere. So that can be 3D thing. I'll try if I can create something, but we need to stick them on some kind of chipboard and then fussy cut them and then layer them. I'll do it. So let's see how it will work. Then this one also, again same thing. It has so many things which you can layer. Actually, looking at this one, they did it to do something like what I explained. Just stick it on some cardboard, cut them and then layer them, so she will look 3D. I can't wait to do this one. So cute. And the image is so big, like you can see. It is I think 1 feet. You can see 10 inches to 1 feet. 10 inches, of course it is. And then I do have this one, which has this cute like curtain and ruffles curtains. So if we can create something like that, some image like 3D thing, and if we can stick this on here, it will look so amazing. It can be a really beautiful home decor piece, I guess. So we will see. I will work on that. Very cute. So that's it today. I have all these Stamperia items, but as I mentioned, we have a couple of items, rather 3 items we are going to ship by end of the July, which is Princess 12 by 12 Princess adhesive chipboard sheet. Other thing is Hortensia adhesive sticker sheet. So these are the things. And that's it. So please visit craftycity.com. There is free shipping going on. You can check the website for more details. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.